Today, I want to give you not one, not two, but three superpowers. And I call them superpowers because they don't need money, they don't need any luck, and they don't need anyone's permission. You already have the ability to build them. And once you build them, success stops being a struggle, it becomes a side effect. I promise you. Let's quickly get into it. Superpower number one, never getting jealous, never comparing yourself with others. The truth is, comparison is the biggest energy thief. Every minute you spend wondering, why is he doing better than me, is a minute you didn't spend growing yourself. Let me give you a simple example. Imagine two students in the same class. Both get the same test. One scored 60, another scored 90. Now, the one who scored 60 has two choices. Choice one, he can think, this is unfair. This other person who got 90, he's just lucky. Teachers favor him. That thought makes him feel better for 5 minutes and worse for the rest of the year. Choice two, he can walk up to the 90% person who scored 90% and ask him, hey, what did you do differently? How did you prepare? That one question can change his entire result next time. That's the shift. So instead of asking, why are they doing better? Ask, how did they do better? And the bonus tip is, stay around people who are doing better than you. Not to feel small, but because their habits will slowly become your habits. You become the average of the people you spend time with. So choose rooms where people are ahead of you, not rooms where you are always the smartest one. The moment you make it only about your own growth, your yesterday versus your today, jealousy has nothing left to feed on. Get so busy in your self growth that it doesn't matter what others are doing. Superpower number two, the ability to move faster. Something upsets you, a friend says something rude, a colleague disagrees with you in a meeting, your business partner makes a decision you didn't like. This will keep happening. The life doesn't stop throwing these moments at you. The superpower is not avoiding these moments, the superpower is your speed of recovery. Not only doing your tasks faster, but also recovering from any setbacks faster. Think of it like this. Imagine you're carrying a hot cup of tea and it spills a little on your hand. A smart person shakes it off in 2 seconds and moves on with their day. But most people don't do that. They keep holding on to the hot spot mentally for hours, replaying the conversation, writing angry replies in their head, losing sleep over it. The people who win in life are not the people who never get disturbed. They are the people who get disturbed for 2 minutes and then move on, instead of getting disturbed for 2 days, 2 months, and 2 years on the same topic. So, next time something bothers you, don't ask, why did this happen to me? Ask, what's my next move? That question alone will pull you out of the loop faster than anything else in this world. Superpower number three, not taking everything personally. Now, this one is my favorite because I have personally worked a lot on it. Most people carry criticism like a wound. Someone gives them feedback and it sits in their chest for weeks or maybe even months or sometimes for years. So, here's a simple way to fix that. Every time you get a feedback from a boss, a parent, a stranger, on the internet, anyone, put it into one of these three buckets. Okay? Bucket number one, useful feedback. Now, this one actually helps you improve, it is useful. No ego, just take the lesson and apply it in your life. Bucket number two, non useful feedback. Now, this is feedback that isn't wrong per se, but it's just not relevant to where you're going right now. You can hear it and let it go. No need to fight it or defend yourself. Bucket number three, random noises. Now, this is feedback that comes from someone else's bad mood, jealousy, or a bad day. Now, it has nothing to do with your actual work. This one you don't even need to reply to. Just let it pass like weather. It passes, it keeps changing. Now, imagine you post something online and you get 10 comments. Two people give you genuine, thoughtful feedback. That's bucket number one. Take it seriously. 5 people just say nice or say nothing useful, that's bucket 2, doesn't matter either way. And 3 people are just rude for no reason, that's bucket 3, just ignore them completely. Now, the moment you sort feedback like this, criticism stops feeling personal, it just becomes information. And information can never hurt you, right? Only your interpretation of that information can hurt you. So, interpretation is in your hands. So, let's recap the 3 superpowers. 1. Stop comparing, start learning from people ahead of you. Number 2. Don't just survive disturbance, recover from it fast as you can. 3. Sort every piece of criticism into useful, non-useful or noise and stop taking it personally. Build these 3 and you won't just become successful, you'll become someone who's actually enjoyable to be around, calm on the inside and unstoppable on the outside. Remember, on this channel, that is Speak with Power, I don't just teach you how to speak with power externally. I teach you how to live with power. Because it's not just mechanical from the outside. We work on the person who's supposed to live with power and speak with power from the inside. Because once you unleash that power from your insides, it will become very easy to show that power even on the outside. This is Captain Ritu Kumar Singh signing off. I'm going to see you in the next video. Jai Hind. Namaste.